Hi and welcome. Today I need to alter this vest. I would like to add some construction cars to these little blank gold spaces, and I'd like to add some down the bottom. Now I am going to do the weeding and design applying part in parts for this one, so I will break this up into a few different designs. So from here I am going to unload my material from my mat by placing the material flat onto the mat cover as well, and then lifting my mat away to try and keep my material as flat as possible. And now I just need to apply my mat cover back on. So I'm going to do the main part of the vest first. So let's go through and find our main parts. So this is where I said, if you want to do all these extra designs, you do add time. However, you do save material. So I'm going to find my end and I'm going to pull up my weeding hook and I'm just going to pull at 45-degree angles carefully, going around my design here, going around the edges of the design, and I'm just going to try and trust my cut and my 45-degree angle pull. This is a bigger design. Alright, so here I've got my first cut just through up here, and I can clearly see now on this bit where I am cutting to get rid of all my little extra designs. This was a little tight corner there, which is why I want to find out where. Now I'm going to put all these little ones aside. I'm only after my big ones right now, so I want to take this one off.
So now I'm just going to continue that process, cutting out and separating all of the different design parts, putting aside all the little pieces, putting the three big trucks in one pile and putting the truck with the amount of dirt into a separate pile ready to continue the project. So we're going to continue with one of the trucks and the pile of dirt. The dirt's a free image. So the first thing I'm going to do is weed the first truck, and I'm going to do that carefully, and I'm going to be using my weeding fork, and I'm going to be pulling everything up at a 45 degree.
Looking real good. Now I'm just going to use this is the free image, which is the dirt. So I've got to find the little crevices of the dirt. So now I need to find my Cricut heat guide. So I'm selecting my EasyPress Mini, my everyday iron-on and polyester, and I need to go preheat 5 seconds, medium 25 seconds, and flip for 15 seconds. So let's start preheating, and I will get my mat and my vest. So I'm going to actually put baking paper underneath it because I feel like this is a bit thin as well. And I am layering HTV, my dirt truck and my dirt pile. And because I am layering, I need to apply a piece of baking paper over the top of everything. And now I just need to go with 25 seconds. Let's go.
Now I'm just going over this as evenly as I possibly can with some firm pressure. I want to go over the whole picture first and then go back through and just keep trying to get an even pressure.
Alright, that's more than 25 seconds. Oops. And now this is cool peel, even though the packet says hot peel in big letters, because the instructions on the back say cold peel. So don't be fooled. I have learnt that one the hard way. Again, I don't want this to go in the wash 100 times, so I'm not testing it out for longevity. Now I'll do my final 15 seconds without the extra padding on it. Because I'm layering, I probably won't even go 15 seconds. I might just go once over, try and get those shapes out, since I'm not planning on washing this. Ta-da! There we go. We've got a digger. Now, in the next video, I am going to add iron-on to the bottom part of the vest. and then do some embellishments. In the meantime, stay tuned and check out the video on your screen. Happy crafting!